Very good morning to everyone. In this lecture EE8451 Linear Integrated Circuits and Applications, Unit 2 Characteristics of Operational Amplifier. Today we are going to discuss about the topic differentiator and integrator. Already the previous session we are discussed the ideal characteristics of operational amplifier and inverting and non-inverting, and also the differential amplifier, that is a difference input signal, and find out the output voltage gain and common mode and differential mode gain, and under the summing amplifier inverting and non-inverting stage are summing amplifiers. So today here the operational amplifier base the differentiator and integrator in the linear applications of operational amplifier. First we have to discuss the differentiator. A differentiator is an electronic circuit that produces an output equal to the first derivation of inputs. An operational amplifier based differentiator produce an output which is equal to differential of input voltage that is applied to its inverting terminal. So the circuit of the operational amplifier based differentiator are shown. In the above circuit, the non-inverting input terminal of the operational amplifier is connected to ground. That means 0 volt is applied to its non-inverting input terminal. According to the virtual short concept, the voltage at the inverting input terminal of op-amp will be equal to voltage present at the non-inverting input terminal. So the voltage at the inverting input terminal of op-amp will be 0 volt. So we can find out the nodal equations at the inverting input terminal. So the nodal equations at the inverting input terminal, the terminal node is negative of C dVi divided by dt is equal to V naught divided by R. So the output voltage is equal to minus of resistance and capacitance into the differentiated between the input voltages dVi divided by dt. If the conditions the resistance and capacitance RC is equal to 1 second, then the output voltage V naught will be V naught is equal to my negative of dVi divided by dt. Thus the operational amplifier based differentiator circuit, it will produce the output which is a differential of input voltage Vi when the magnitude of the impedance of resistor and capacitance are reciprocal together. So the output voltage V naught is having a negative sign, which indicates that there exists a 180-degree phase shift difference between the input and the output signal. So this is a complete operation of the differentiator using the operational amplifier. Now we can discuss the integrator. The op-amp integrator, an integrator is an electronic circuits that produce an output that is the integration of the applied input. An operational amplifier based integrator produces an output which is an integral of input voltage applied to an inverting terminal. The circuit of an operational amplifier based integrator, so this is a feedback resistance. In this circuit, the non-inverting input terminal of operational amplifier is connected to ground. That means the 0 volt is applied to the non-inverting input terminal. According to virtual short concept, the voltage at the inverting input terminal of operational amplifier will be equal to the voltage present at the non-inverting input terminal. So the voltage at the inverting input terminal of an operational amplifier will be 0 volt. The nodal equations at the inverting input terminal, that is a 0 minus input voltage divided by R plus capacitance into D of 0 minus V naught divided by dt equal to 0. In these conditions, the negative Vi minus Vi divided by R is equal to C into dV naught divided by dt. Here the dV naught divided by dt is equal to minus of Vi divided by RC. So the integrating both side of the equations, integral of dV naught is equal to integral of minus of Vi divided by RC into dt. The V naught is equal to minus 1 by RC integral of Vt divided by dt. If the RC is 1 second, then the output voltage V naught will be V naught is equal to minus integral of Vi dt. So the operational amplifier based integrated circuit discussed above will produce an output which is integral of input voltage Vi when the magnitude of impedance of the resistance and capacitance are reciprocal to each other. So the conclusion of the output voltage V naught is having a negative sign, which indicates that there is a exist of 180-degree phase difference between the input and the output. Now, what are the applications of operational amplifier in differentiator and integrator? The differentiator stating amplifier are mostly commonly designed to operate on triangular and rectangular signals. The differentiator also find application such as wave shaping circuit to detect high frequency components in the input signal. The integrated circuit is mostly used in analog computer, analog to digital converter and wave shaping circuits. Now once again I can repeat the integrator. An integrator, the operational amplifier circuit produce an output which is equal to the integration of the negative sign symbol, that is which is integral of input voltage added to the inverting terminal. The circuit of operational amplifier based integrated circuits, the non-inverting terminal input of op-amp is connected to the ground. That means the zero voltage is applied to the non-inverting input terminal. According to virtual short circuit concept, the voltage at inverting input terminal of operational amplifier will be equal to the voltage present at a non-inverting input terminal. So the voltage at the inverting input terminal of operational amplifier will be 0 volt. So the nodal equations at the inverting input terminal is B out equal to negative of integral of Vi divided by dt. This is the operational amplifier based integrated circuits. It produces the output voltage which is the integral of input voltage Vi when the magnitude of impedance or resistor and capacitors are reciprocal. Then the differentiator it produces an output which is equal to differential of input voltage that is applied to the inverting terminal. So the non-inverting input terminal of the op-amp is connected to ground. That means the zero voltage is applied to its non-inverting input terminal. According to the virtual short circuit concept, the voltage at the inverting input terminal of op-amp will be equal to voltage present at the non-inverting input terminal. So the output voltage at the inverting input terminal of an operational amplifier will be 0 volt. So the node we can using the nodal equations of inverting on the input terminal. So the resistance and the capacitance. So the output voltage is equal to negative of RC into VI divided by dt. Here the RC is 1 second. We can approximately assume the RC is equal to 1 second. Then the output voltage V0 will be V0 is equal to minus dVi divided by dt. Here the dVi is a number of input voltages. Here what is the number of input voltage? Vi is equal to V1 plus V2. So the dV1 plus V2 divided by d2 into 2. So the differentiator circuit, it produces an output which is the differential of the input voltage when the magnitude of the impedance of the resistor and the capacitors are reciprocal to each other. The capacitor are reciprocal to each other, that is the output voltage V0 is having a negative sign, which indicates that there exists a 180-degree phase difference between the input and output. So this is a complete operation of differentiator and integrator using the operational amplifier. Now the next session we are going to discuss the input and output voltages. Thank you for watching this video.